Okay, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are jumping in the video today. I decided to stop being lazy and actually like do some work to the Focus. I'm gonna do is quick and simple oil change, but I've just been like so lazy, haven't felt like doing anything. Normally I take the car out to just like a Valvoline to get the oil changes, but they don't. The last couple times I went, they don't really carry the 5W50 that off. I figured I would just do it here at home. So yeah, doing a quick oil change to the Focus RS because sometimes you gotta just do what you gotta do. And I'm battling some daylight here. So I got the car jacked up now on 4 jacks. I was gonna try to put it with some ramps, but my front splitter, it's like a little bit too close. It was like bumping it. So that would have been quicker, but I was like, nah, let me lift it up actually. But there's plenty of room down here. So show you guys what we got going on. So it is nice to see underneath. So this front plate is already removed. You can see the underside, which I'm actually taking a look now even more at my exhaust, which I did in the last video. All this looks pretty good. It's still warm? A little warm, not like crazy though. So that's good. Do I look like a ghost? All right, now I'm just taking a quick look underneath here. This charge pipe. It's like this is flaky blue. Did they just paint this blue? Interesting. I mean, this looks fine though, but just looking. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, I'm using Motorcraft bigger oil filter. So we have the bigger oil filter. I'm going to pre-oil this guy up. How do I even open these? These things are kind of weird looking. Let me lubricate it. This is, wow, yeah, burp. This thing's burping a lot. You gotta fill it up. Some people do, some people don't. I saw that people do, so I'm gonna do that. So just filled this up. Oh, this is a headlamp. Oh my gosh, can I put this on my head? Where's this light at? Do I look crazy? Maybe, just a little bit. It's wild. I got this off of Temu. I just wanted to like see what stuff they had on there. They had some pretty decent stuff. Let me actually move you guys over there. I don't know if this is gonna work. So this is a 15 mil. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Oh, actually not too bad. She's looking. Even though when I purchased the car, they just changed the oil, I am just like, you know what, I'm gonna just like change it again because I don't know, the place I bought it from, they were fine, but like I'm kind of like, I don't know if they used the proper oil or just whatever. Plus I'm just doing preventative stuff myself. I was looking at the oil itself. I don't know, just wanted to make sure it was full. On that, I'm gonna slowly move. Oh crap, is there a thing in there? Oh, I think it is. Oh, darn it. I'm pretty sure the drain bolt is literally in the oil itself. I have to fish that out. I'll do that in a second. Now, the filter. I'm gonna just kind of break this loose. Yeah, that's a little bit loose. Now that that's pretty much, the oil is drained pretty much. Actually, let me fish. It's pretty bad, pretty gross. I'm not gonna over tighten this because I remember with my Corvette, someone freaking, they like wrenched that thing down. Like it literally was like stuck on, you could not get it off. That's on there pretty good. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. This is the oil filter. I got the thing right underneath it. I'm gonna actually put the camera back a little bit I don't want you guys to get dirty. All right, this is gonna be a splashy. I probably have to wash my hands all over again, but you know, it is what it is. Oh God. Oh. That could have been worse. Could have been worse, honestly. I'm gonna let this drain out of here. Ugh. Okay, just to show you oil filter out, I'm gonna clean up this oil because just in case there is any oil leaks, I don't want that to be like, it'd just be confusing. So I'm gonna clean this stuff up. And have the old one out. As you can see, look at the size difference. This is a much bigger oil filter. Reason why, so when you pre-fill this, you should, like this should be the perfect amount of oil that it would take in here. So it like raises the like limit. I think it's six quarts. So reason why there's 6 of them. So I'm gonna put this on, but let me first clean that up first. So now that I have this new guy on there, it's preset with oil. Let me make sure it's pretty down with this guy. I don't know actually, I forgot how much everything cost, but somewhere in that range. But it wasn't about saving money. This was about, let me make sure this is on. This was about, yeah, I don't know, stop being lazy, like work on the car myself, do more stuff myself. Cut it on. It's kind of hard to depress.